video, we are going to learn how to add insert a line chart using a macros VBS code. Now, we already learned with the using of how to record a macros in the last video for the column chart. Okay, so same if you have any kind of a chart and you have a different data set but using the same formatting. Okay, so every time, okay, this is for monthly data now. Okay, so Jan, Feb, March, April, May, likewise, and the sales. So your values are changing, but this kind of data will be the same. Okay, so you can just record your macros and perform it because every time to go with the changing the charts and editing that chart design, formatting, everything, that took lots of time. So for that, record macros, or another option is when you have any different conditions and any different uh, you want to add the any another condition, so you can go with the Visual Basics for writing a code. So let's see. Go to Developer tab, F11, and then click on the this sheet for in a project area. There is a my sheet name is a line chart. So search out where is your sheet and right click on that and add the module, or you can say insert a module, and then same as we did for the column chart, we can perform it as for the line chart as well. Just we are mentioning here, you can see XL as a line. There what we mentioned at XL as a bar. So that is the difference, and we are changing the range if you want to change the range as well. So there is only object, okay, and in the object active sheet dot chart object dot add whatever the length width of you, if you want to modify here or add it to the 110. For the left side you want to distance it from here, then object and the chart from which source means for the range you are providing there for A to B, C, okay, and just chart with the chart type, which type you want to mention it, and then the last is the title of your chart, that is a monthly sales trade. Okay, we are looking at the some trending line. So basically line chart, why you use basically, so using a historical data or any data that will show the trend. Okay, so that is why we use a line chart. So monthly sales trade here, and then just save that code. Every time you have to save, so that will save in the macros list. After you save, just to go to run from here as well, or you can insert as a button as well. So what is the name of my line chart? Okay, so let's me check. Create line chart. Okay, so maybe yes, yeah, create line chart and run. Now you can see how easily all the font size, that all this chart size also you can see the pretty uh, good enough, because you can see the all these values are fitted properly. Okay, so you can see, so this is a very short and easy method you can implement in your data, that you can avoid your repetitive task and as well to save your time to do with the code. Okay, so using a macros code.